Want it to be served. It's beautiful. My name is Mark Cymerint, and I'm a child of two Holocaust survivors. And I heard all the stories from my father and not that many from my mother. She was in hiding. But my dad was in the concentration camps for 5 years in Auschwitz. And the stories I started learning the stories when I was about 4 years old. And my father kept the gory details of what he saw every day pretty much out of the stories. And he just told me, you know, how he survived and positive things that he told me. But the stuff we have now seen on the internet, the gruesome part of what we just witnessed, is shaken me to my core. I never thought I would ever see anything like I saw in the last week. I feel jittery I'm sure all of you do. It's not just me. But, you know, knowing the atrocities of the Holocaust and seeing what they could do in 2023 shook me to my core. And, you know, it's just crazy. Holocaust survivor Elie Wiesel, he said some famous words. He said, you know, if you're silent, the perpetrators win, and the people that are perpetrated on lose. And, you know, the victimizers win and the victims lose. So we really cannot ever stay silent. As hard as it is to come out in our communities and tell the stories and talk about justice and love and morality is a difficult thing. And a lot of people are staying silent, and which is very disturbing to me. And because I always tried to figure out what happened during the Holocaust and why the German population stayed silent. And now I'm getting it finally, and it's not the right way to be. It's not the right way to go. So I'm really proud of you people who post online. I'm proud of you people that show up for your community, and I'm proud to be part of this community. And I don't even know if I have any more words. And I'm a man of a lot of words, and tonight I'm a man of few words. So I'd like to call up the mayor of Mission Viejo, Mr. Brian Goodell.
Thank you. It's wonderful to see so many of you here tonight in support of our community and support of Israel and the people who've suffered tremendous tragedy and tremendous evil in that part of the world. I just want to say that the answer to that, in my opinion, is love, and that's what we do here in this place. We love and support one another, and hopefully we can all be unified in this feeling of love, sending our love and our support to the people whose lives have been tragically upended by and the horrendous evil that we've seen bestowed on them. And I just hope that we can all remember that message of love and love each other like God loves us. Thank you.
I would now like to call up a person who's been a big part of my life and many of your lives. And this is a special human being who puts the community first, puts people first, helps people that are down on their lives, counsels just about everybody he has ever met, and probably the best therapist as well. But this rabbi is just a tremendous blessing to have in this community, and he has shared with me so many great things that the community has come to him in the last few days that he couldn't believe. But I'll let him tell the stories, and I'd like to welcome give a big round of applause for Rabbi Zalman Marcus.